Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Please show your thumbs up. Okay, and thumbs up with the rule of a class. You never forget, thumbs up with a buddy wali smile. Yes? So can I see that great thumbs up on everyone's face? Yes, many students are not smiling. Yes, I can't see a big smile. That's it. So let's get started with a lovely smile. Okay. So see, last class we learned this because today's class is not only about drawing, but we will be listening the lovely story also. And today we are going to learn real story. And this is Archie. Archisha's birthday today. Archisha, lots of blessing. Nee, ek second. Yes, Archisha Mishra. Archisha Mishra, lots of blessings, beta. Happy birthday. May God shower blessings in your life. Lots of blessings. So, chalo, without delay, we will start. What we did last class, we learned how to draw step by step. Then we gave outlines with black sketch pen. Now, our third step and very important step is erasing extra line. Okay. So, what I will be doing, I will pick up eraser and I will erase extra lines. And don't forget, today we need cotton, earbud, watercolors. Okay, because lots of watercolors we are going to do in this. Okay, so keep it ready. Be ready with a water container also. And I will be sharing everything, a very new information about workshop. I will be sharing in the end. A lovely workshop we are going to organize in that we will be teaching you 7 art pieces, including canvas painting, folk art, and also on. And the charges are just 199 rupees. So this time summer camp, and even Father's Day special craft. And a Father's Day special craft, drawing, pencil shading, coffee painting, and mixed media, so many things in our workshop, and charges are just 199. So I will be sharing the information of that also. So stay with us, okay? And now, and one most, a very big, yes, I will be telling you, see students, one more thing I want to tell you while taking class, when the class is on, please send message which is related to art and drawing. Don't send useless messages, please. It's a request. Because what happened? Students, those who want to ask something connected to artwork, their messages get hide when you keep sending useless messages. Many times one student keeps sending the same message 100 times. Please don't do that, okay? Because in this way, I'm not able to answer the question which is related to this artwork, okay? So please be in the work what you are doing and stop messaging. Don't send useless messages, okay? So chalo, without delay, I erase all extra lines. I will clean my drawing and now I will start coloring, okay? So I will start coloring, and first I will take my black color, black sketch pen. Come on, take out black sketch pen, yellow ochre. Yes, you can use acrylic paint also. Okay, you can use any watercolor, acrylic color. You can use poster color, cake colors, tube colors, any. Samhita, you please click on active speaker view. You will be able to see. Rest all can see me. Please show thumbs up. Can others see me? Huh? Acha. Now, what I will be doing after erasing all extra lines, while erasing, you're supposed to be very much careful, okay? Now, what I will do, I will simply pick up my yellow ochre, black. If you don't have sketch pen, you can take black color also, and brown color. Come on, take out these 3 colors. Brown, you can take any brown, dark brown or light brown. Okay, if you don't have yellow ochre, you can take golden or you can take yellow also. Now what I will be doing, I will take my black color. Sandy, if you don't have yellow ochre, you can take yellow also. Take this sketch pen and start moving around this circle. Okay, and fill this middle part black. Okay, first make it big circle and then start doing this middle eyeball black. Sketch pen, only black a sketch pen for making this middle part. If you didn't join last class, you can do it with the help of recording, because we provide recording to every child of every class, and recording stay with that child lifelong. Okay. So if you've missed the last class, don't worry. You can do it with help of recording. Okay. So those who missed last class and have not completed drawing also, they can simply sit and see how we are coloring. And after the class get over, they can attend that class with help of recording and complete drawing and coloring. Nia, if you have not attended last class, you simply sit and attend class, and afterwards with help of recorded class, you draw and color. Okay, this is the only solution we can have. Okay. So see this ways. I will be completing this inner eyeball, black, okay, and outer. For doing outer one, Shivanshu, continue. After completing, they will look very good. Afterwards, you will take yellow ochre or yellow or golden, any color you can take, and start doing in outer circle. And only this much part. You will not complete it. Okay, only this much part. Same here, only this much part. Okay. And now I will take my brown color. Just outer side, this much part. Now your eyes should be very impressive, very expressive. Because what happened, your attention, it just attracts your attention. It should be very lively. Take brown color, take brown color, and move over yellow ochre color. Okay, I will move it on yellow ochre, and then I will continue the outside. See, if you have colored full eye with black, if you colored full eye with black, then it's okay. Otherwise, the process is this. Now outside, you will move on yellow ochre, and then you will continue your coloring and finish this outer circle also. And you will see that your eyes will look absolutely beautiful. Okay. You can use dark brown color also. You can use dark brown. You can use normal brown. Any brown you can use. So simply, I will move on yellow ochre. And yeah, today's story. I will start. First, let me complete eyes. And while doing colors in face, I will start my story. Okay. So see, this way is my eye. And don't forget to take sketch pen and make only upper line little bold, so that the eyes will look very beautiful. And don't forget to add eyelashes. Okay, 3 eyelashes. This ways. And the upper portion, upper eyelid, you make little dark and bold using sketch pen. Okay, so you will see the eyes will look more beautiful. This way, when you make eyes look very impressive, very expressive, and very beautiful. Okay. Now we will take 2 colors from our color palette, and that is pink and skin color, light orange color. Okay. If you don't have skin color, you can use orange, but very light, like pink and skin color. Okay. Take pink and start making circles. Because we are showing our Mother Earth very, very happy, healthy, beautiful. If you don't have pink, you can simply put little red. Okay, very light with red. Okay, but pink and all these are basic colors. So students, you should have them. Pink. Okay, come on, make 2 pink circles. And when you're using pink, yes, all will do this because this is Mother Earth. So boys will also make, this is Mother Earth's face, not your boy's face. Now, so you will also make pink. And I will be doing pink here also, the inner part of mouth. Okay, small strokes, one direction. Small, small strokes, very nicely. You will finish. Okay, continue. As we have so many elements today to cover up, ठीक है ना? We are supposed to be very attentive and we are supposed to be a little quick. Now, as I have pink in my hands, so I will complete one fish also. Let's complete one fish body also. And tail of other fish. So when you pick up one color, try to cover up so many things with pink. Okay. And today's artwork is the story which I'm going to share with you is a real story. Okay. So see, I did in body of fish, tail and fins of fish. I did here, and see, I will start with skin color. All of you, from where you will start your skin color? Normally what students do, they always start their coloring from center, which is wrong. Always start your coloring from a corner, from here. It can be here, from here, or here. I will be starting it from here. And hold your color like a pencil. As you hold your pencil now, same way as you hold your color, start from here. Come on, start from here. And go. You will go for small strokes. You will not go for big strokes, and you will not change direction. Now see, I've started with standing line, so I will maintain my line standing, even space is small or big. And second thing, I will not put pressure on my color. Very gently, I will repeat every stroke 4 times. See, I'm repeating every stroke 4 times. See here also, very limited space, but I will go for standing lines. And this ways, repeat every stroke 4 times. Yes, Shresh, you can. For eyes, what I did, the inner eyeball, I did with sketch pen or black color, leaving that white circle. Then I put yellow ochre in corner, and then I overlap yellow ochre and the complete outer ball with brown. Okay. So this is the standing. Now the story I will start. So this is the story of mother environment. Mother environment. Okay. So many years back, many hundreds of years back, many 100 years back, our earth, our environment was so happy, so healthy. Okay, and everything was in harmony. Harmony, it means in coordination. No one was disturbing others' life. Everything. Water was so clean, so pure, and just like great, like life-giving for drinking. Okay, and all the birds and animals, they were drinking that very pure water. All rivers were so happy. And as rivers, water was very pure. See, continue with standing line. Make sure you will not change direction, okay? Small stroke. Look at my strokes. Small. Don't go for big strokes, okay? Otherwise, your work will be spoiled. This way. Continue. Small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. Standing lines, okay? Don't change direction. So water animals were very happy, fishes were happy, turtles were happy, jellyfishes, crocodiles, and our sea world was completely happy because water was pure with no pollution, no poison in it. And animals were also happy. They were having fresh, pure water to drink. And the forest with lush green, they were lush green. Lots of trees of different varieties, lots of plants of different varieties. Birds, they were super happy. Every time chirping, they were having lots of trees to make their nest. Okay. And monkeys were happy. Spiders were happy. Squirrels were happy. Everyone was happy in this environment. Trees, they were very happy because no one was harming them. No one was destroying them unnecessarily. Trees were giving full of flowers and fruits, and they were giving it to everyone who was living in environment. And the life of everyone was very comfortable, very happy, very prosperous, and very healthy. Okay. Slowly, and the mountains were very happy. Rivers were happy. Grasslands were happy. Trees were happy. Everything was happy. Then Mother Environment started thinking, and they all were giving us oxygen. Plants were giving us oxygen and using carbon dioxide, the poison, polluted air. And the environment was full with beautiful, clean, environment was very clean. And that's why Mother Earth's skin was shining, eyes were shining. And Mother Earth was always having a lovely smile on her face, as you can see in our drawing. Take red color and do tongue. Okay, we will be doing tongue. Okay, yes. Small sleeping lines. Now see students, in today's artwork, as there are so many things to do. Now red color I took now. So I will complete body of one fish. One fish you make with red. Okay. And you can even complete mouth of one fish with red. This way is whatever color you are picking up, you can. Yes. Okay. So now see the face of Mother Earth is, Mother Environment is ready. Can I see your work? All of you lift up your work. Show me. Face. Very beautiful. Lovely. It's looking really great. Shabash. Now let's come back to work. Now we will start with fishes. So now say fishes and duck. Ducks you can make of any color, any color. I will be making one fish with golden. Okay, one fish with orange. And this ways I use red, pink, orange, this kind of colors for making my fishes. It's very nice. Everyone has done very nice work. Okay. And today, as so many things this drawing contain, we need to be little quick. Okay. So see this way, and colors in fishes should be dark. Okay. Color your fish very dark so that they will look very bright and beautiful. Okay. If you made a jellyfish also, you can color it. A baby fish, you can color it. And now I will take yellow color, deep yellow color. These all are small elements. I will complete it. So from where you will start your yellow? You will start from yellow from here. Now see students, in my drawing, there are 3 fishes. So now I step on to duck. So suppose you have done only 2 fish and third is left. So you will leave that fish. You will do it, that fish which is left after class. Okay. You will step on to my next work. That is duck. This ways today you will keep yourself in rhythm and always. But now all of you, if your fish is left, leave that. If 2 fish or 1 fish is done, you can remaining fishes you can do after class. Now start with duck. Okay, I will be making both duck's body with yellow, beak with red or pink, and body, one wings I will be showing with pink, one with orange. You can try any color of your choice. Okay, any. So this ways I will complete duck. Now see, many of you must have completed only one. As I'm stepping on to my next step. So if you have done one, the second you leave. You do it after the class. Okay. This ways you will keep yourself in rhythm. Okay. So now I'm stepping on to houses. So you also step on to houses now. Leave the second duck. You will do it after class. Okay. And now let's make houses. For making the house, walls of houses, I will be taking sky blue. And I can take even brown. And a brown will also look good. Brown. And I will start making wall. From where you will start? See, you will start from a corner. Come on. Any color. You can do any color. Okay, and I will continue with my story. Then what happened? Then everything started increasing. Animals started increasing in number. Trees, forest, birds, butterflies. So Mother Earth started praying God. Oh God, please bless me with the kind of creation of yours, which is blessed with lovely brain, wonderful brain, so that your creation can help me create a kind of animal which can help me in looking after, taking care of this beautiful environment, I really need help of a wise person. Okay? You can take any color. You can take any color for making walls of house. I have taken sky blue and brown. Okay, I took two colors, sky blue and brown. You can take any. Yes, you can do any color in walls of house. But make sure you will not change direction. You will move your color in one direction. Okay, make sure the color direction should not change. So see, I have made wall of one house brown and one sky blue. Okay. Now today, this ways you are going to keep you in rhythm. Okay. Whatever part, suppose I'm making two house and you have done only one. So remaining one house you can do in homework. Okay. I will take pink. You can give sketch pen outlines afterwards also. Okay. See, this is Leona. As you have not given outlines, so right now you do colors. And when the class get over, then you give outlines. If you will give outlines now, you can use turquoise color also, beta. Okay. Very shiny and fluorescent colors always look good. So yes, you can use fluorescent colors also. Okay. Watercolors, a big part of this drawing is watercolor only. Okay. So don't worry. So see, I completed two houses and inside I'm going to do yellow. Okay. The windows and this circle I will be doing with yellow. And I will start with the story. So Mother Environment started praying, ki, oh God, create one animal of the kind who is blessed, who is having a very strong and creative brain. I really need help of a very wise person, wise support. So God created a man, okay, a human, and said, ki, see, this human is exactly like me. I gave this human the brain exactly like me. This human can think, can implement, and have a very great creative thinking. So see, this human I'm giving to you, Mother Environment, and this human is going to help you. Take gray color, gray, and do in solar panels. These solar panels will be gray. Okay. Oil pastel, although I don't suggest, but if you don't have any other color medium, then you can use oil pastel also. Okay. Normally, oil pastel is a color. The technique of using oil pastel is different. So I don't permit for junior batch. Then I completed gray in solar panels. Okay. You can do silver gray also and this also. Now let's complete these human. Now see, if you completed one house, second is left, you can leave and come on human. Okay. If you're having slow speed. Now you can, again in human beings, you can do any color. I will be making the pants with yellow. Okay. I will be making the top with red. And here the shorts will be blue. If you don't have gray, you can try dark blue color. Try dark blue color for solar panels. If you don't have gray color, okay? So see, I will be doing sky blue here and I will be doing pink in, so I will continue with my story, pink. See, for making these human beings, you can try any color. So Mother God gifted human to environment so that, and said that this human is having the same kind of brain as I have, same kind of body as I have, same kind of eyes, ears, and the body's organs as I have. So this person is very wise. This human is very wise and is going to help you a lot. So Mother Earth, Mother and Nature was very happy. Take yellow ochre color. I want to check the work. Please lift up your work, all of you. Yes. Wow, great. Okay, all these things are very small. So we will be doing it quickly. Okay, very nice, amazing. And those who are little slow, they can do one, and the second they can do after class. Little you can do with sketch pen also. Suppose this is a small figure, so you can do it with colorful sketch pen also. Now I will take my yellow ochre or golden color. Those who don't have golden or yellow ochre, they can simply take brown. And I'm going to make a line just near here, mountain. This mountain I have now, I will be making a line. Okay? And I will start doing yellow ochre in sleeping lines. Come on. Yeah, behind, this is land part. Okay? Behind bushes. Come on, start doing it. You will simply make line with crayons. Okay? And simply do it. Then what happened? That God created human. And human came into existence and asked, requested, oh my mother earth, oh my mother environment, what can I do? Please tell me. So mother environment say, my son, I requested for very kind, very wise, and the one who is having brain to think. I really want you to take care of this beautiful environment. Will you help me in taking care of the environment? So human promised, yes, mother environment, I will take good care of this environment. You just don't worry. So mother environment said, okay, then I'm giving you charge from today. From today, you will take care of mountains, you will take care of birds, you will take care of all my children. Don't forget, you and all these, you all are my children. We are a family. So promise me you will take very good care of all of them. And human being promised, mother environment, I will take good care, don't worry. Okay, see, I did yellow ochre here. Okay, just behind house also I completed this ways. And now the same yellow ochre. Okay, the same yellow ochre I will be completing. See, if you have not made beer, it's okay, Mahanya. Many students skip butterfly and this also, it's okay. If you skip, it's okay. If you have made, you color. If you have not made, then skip it. I'm going to do this yellow ochre in beer. From your face part. Start from corner, okay? In face, small strokes, and you will not start coloring from center. You will start it from corner. So using the same color, you will be doing beer. So then what happened? Mother environment was very much assured that it's human who is blessed by God and with having the same kind of brain as God is having, same kinds of eyes and thinking process and very creative thinking, will definitely take good care of environment, and mother environment was assured. But slowly and slowly, what happened? Human, he turned selfish. Take black color and do this nose part. And I will be doing pink in mouth part. Come on, pink. First inside this ear, this inner part of ear, pink. Inner part of ear, pink. And the mouth part, I will be doing pink. Okay, come on. Make these beer this way and fill it dark. Okay, all these small objects, you will fill it very dark. Otherwise, the beauty of this drawing will disappear. Make it very dark. Okay, so I did pink color in mouth and inside ears. And pink I'm going to do in butterfly's wings. Don't keep your pink color, do in butterfly's wings also. Okay, all these tiny things. Let's complete. Okay, butterfly's wings, you can try with orange, you can try golden, you can try sky blue, any other color you can try. Okay, so here you are free with your imaginations. But I simply picked up pink with orange. I'm going to make body with orange. Okay, I will make body with orange this way. Okay. Come on, do this. I want to check the work. All of you lift up your work and show. All of you show. Very good, lovely, amazing. It means you are doing it quickly. For small elements, you can use colorful sketch pens also. Okay, for very small, like human beings, they are very small. Then what happens? Slowly and slowly, time started passing. And human being just forgot the promise he made to mother environment. What he started doing, you know? Humans started destroying mother nature with both the hands. Take dark green and light green color. Dark green and light green quickly. Okay, dark green and light green. And first I will move dark green this side. Okay, on this hairline, I will be moving dark green. Okay, so, and he started cutting trees. Trees were the one who were consuming bad air and giving fresh oxygen and keeping environment clean. But human beings started cutting trees. He wanted to make house, he cut trees. He cut trees for making schools. He cut trees for making roads. He cut trees for making malls. Take light green and start doing here. See, all of you see? From where you will start? You will start from your sleeping lines. Okay, small sleeping lines. This way. Small sleeping lines. You will be doing light green color. You will not change your direction. Make sure you will not change your direction. Small sleeping line, small sleeping line. Everywhere you will maintain your line, sleeping. Okay, light green color. This way. Come on, continue. All around, flower and everywhere. Don't change direction, okay? Many times what students do, when they find limited space, they immediately change direction of coloring. But no, we will not do this. That is not the correct technique. Okay, you are supposed to maintain one direction only. Then only your coloring will look beautiful. Okay, see, so then I'll continue. Then human being, they wanted to make roads, they cut trees. They wanted to make factories, they cut trees. And they never thought, if we are cutting trees, we are supposed to grow. Suppose you want to make roads and you are cutting few trees as you want to make road. So you can grow those trees at some other place. You can grow some more plants. But no, human men turn very, very selfish. He cut trees for making roads. He cut trees for making schools. He cut trees for making buildings. He cut trees for making factories. He cut trees for making farms. He kept cutting trees. He kept cutting trees. He kept cutting trees, and lakhs and crores and millions and billions trees. He kept cutting. And he was not bothered about, he made promise. He was not bothered that where the birds will go. He was not bothered about what will happen to animals. Animals live in jungle only. He was not bothered about. And besides this, what he started doing, the second thing he started doing, the factories, all poisonous chemicals, all poisonous garbage, sewage, every dirt, every garbage, every poison, he started disposing in water. Big rivers. He mixed so much of poison that the whole water, whole water of river, it turned poisonous. And all the fishes, turtles, and marine life start dying. They all started dying. They all started asking, Mother Environment, what is happening with us? Please do something. Please do something. And Mother Environment decided to talk to human. Hey, human, I gave you some responsibility, and what are you doing? See, this ways I will be doing green. Okay? Yes, I want to check the work. Will you please lift up? Show. Yes, very good. Shabash. Okay, today you are supposed to keep harmony, rhythm with me. Okay, if you're, I step on, when I step on to other step, the remaining part of previous step, you can leave and do in homework. Okay, very good, beautiful. So now see this complete now remaining things we are going to do with watercolors. And I will come on this river part. Okay. For river part, I will pick up sky blue because now we are talking about rivers. So now I will be showing river. In this drawing, river is looking so happy. You can see ducklings, duck They are so happy. है ना? Fishes, they are so happy. See, I have checked everyone's work. Okay? So no need to send messages separately. I have seen everyone's work. Dark blue, light blue. Take two colors. So he started disposing and throwing all poison, all waste, drainage system of house, and the garbage, the chemical garbage, which is extremely poisonous, in water. And this ways, big rivers, they start getting contaminated. The water turned poisonous, and turtles and fishes, duck, they all started dying. They take dark blue color and start applying it here. Okay? And the men start cutting jungles. To a great extent, animals, they were having no place to live. Water was also dangerous and poisonous now. They were dying after drinking that water. See, I did little blue here near dark, and I'm going to give outlines. Come on, give outlines to this river. Okay, I will be giving outline to this river with dark blue, and then I will fill light blue inside. Okay. Yes. This ways I will be continuing. So they all started out shouting, and all started requesting, oh, Mother Environment, what is happening? We are not able to live. Please do something. Please do something. Environment said, even now I'm not able to breathe. Look at my skin. It has turned dark. Environment is so polluted. And yeah, one more thing. The poisonous gases, very much poisonous gases, he started releasing those poisonous gases in environment. Okay. And these poisonous gases was just like fire. They were very warm. And because of this poisonous gases surround our mother environment, our earth start heating. It start getting warm and warm and warm. This is called global warming. Okay. And see, I did dark blue, and now I will take sky blue color. Take sky blue, light blue color, and start from here. Okay. Sleeping lines. Start with sleeping lines. Come on. After giving dark blue outline, you will be giving sleeping line coloring. So air, water, earth, everything, human being, it means men start destroying with both the hands without thinking. Then what started happening? Who was giving us oxygen? Trees. When he cut all the trees and destroyed the whole water, now human himself was not having pure water to drink. Human himself was not having pure water to breathe. And finally, the day came when they started purchasing oxygen cylinder. And Mother Environment call out, what are you doing, my child? We are a family. I gave you responsibility of everyone of the environment. But what you did, you are destroying. Be aware, otherwise I will punish you. But humans smile. You won't be able to punish me. How will you dare to punish me? And then Mother Environment start getting angry. And today we can see everything which is happening around. Floods happening every year. Disaster, natural disaster happening everywhere. This is what? This is punishment of Mother Environment. Mother Environment is requesting, I'm dying. I'm sick. I don't want to die. Please grow plants. Please save me. Take care of mine. But we are still not aware. We are still ignoring our most loving, most caring Mother Environment. So today, with the help of this story, with help of this lovely artwork, and on 5th, we have Environment Day. So let's promise that we will grow lots and lots of plants in parks, near temple, in lawn, in those who live in apartment, they will grow in pots, and we will make our Mother Environment happy. How many can you promise? Can I see thumbs up, those who really want to give this promise to Mother Environment? Yes, and this is not a fake story. This is a real story. Today you can see people are fighting for oxygen cylinders, and it is not available because the oxygen cylinders, the natural oxygen giving sources, trees, we cut. And pure water is not available. We are purchasing pure water. Earlier, it was available in river because we contaminated that water. So now, if you really want to save it, grow lots and lots of plants. So see, I have completed this water part. Okay. Now, I will be doing sky. Now see, if your little part of water part is left, you leave it. Leave it and start with sky. Take orange, take yellow, and take blue color. Come on, take 3 colors. So this is the story of a Mother Earth. And you know what? This story is not a fake story. Today, due to lack of oxygen cylinders, so many deaths are causing because we didn't respect the oxygen which we get free of cost. This all is punishment of Mother Environment. But I have complete trust that you and me, all these small children, they love Mother Nature a lot. Yes, now? Yes or no? You can show a thumbs up for that. So let's take a charge. The fruits which are coming in house, let's collect seeds and let's sow them to grow a plant. We can grow abundant of plant. Is this difficult? Yes. Is this difficult? No. So let's do it together. Okay. So now I will take these 3 colors and I will take yellow and make a circle around the rays. So see, today's story is the real story of Mother Earth. Man, God created man to take care of environment, and man is the one who destroy it without thinking his own future. Take orange and start from a corner. Start your coloring from a corner, not center. Orange in sun. Come on, start doing. Let's complete it. After this, I will give a very good information of summer camp. We have summer camp very close in which you will be learning 7 art pieces. We are going to teach you 7 art pieces and we kept cost very minimum. That is 199, just 200 rupees. Okay. So this time summer camp is going to be a big mega event. Say I did orange. I will take yellow and simply start from here. Standing line, here from standing line. You will not go for start from center. Okay. This ways you will continue. Continue, continue, and continue. Okay. So this ways, this is the light. And today, this is a real story, but if we will be aware and if we will start loving our Mother Nature today also, we can really bring a great change. And this is required for our existence. So see, I did yellow around and now blue color as the environment is very clean. Okay. So how will you do blue? Very light. Sky is clean. And you know what? Global warming, everywhere you normally listen this global warming. But many times small kids, they don't know even what is the meaning of global warming. I'm telling you. The poisonous gases, which are coming out from factories, from our houses, from vehicles we are using, they are very warm and they are coming out in such great amount that they have surrounded our Mother Earth. Okay. And they are very warm. So they are just like fire. And our earth is just like a pot on fire. So that fire is making our earth, our globe, warm. Continuously the temperature is increasing. Okay, continuously the temperature is increasing. And this is called global warming. Now what is happening? The temperature is increasing. So the glaciers on polar region, they are melting. And because of this, sea level is rising. Yes, what doubt you have? You can send your doubt. Siddhant and Soumya, you can send your doubt, beta. See this ways. I will go for sleeping lines. Okay. Small strokes, one direction. Small strokes, one direction. Continue, continue. Will not pressurize. Okay. With the moment you will pressurize your color, the dirty lines will appear and it will spoil your work. Okay. So don't forget, no extra pressure. Okay. Yes. And see this ways I will complete. Okay. Small strokes, one direction. Here also. And sky will be comparatively lighter. We will start watercolor work very soon because now almost all plastic crayon work is over. Now we will switch on to watercolor work, the most awaited. So now see students, our plastic crayon work is over. I want to check it, and now all of you be ready with cotton, earbud, watercolors, whatever color medium you have, you can use that. And let's get started. Now our watercolor work will start. I want to check it first. Please lift up your work and show me, all of you. And those who don't have watercolors, they can simply use the same color of plastic crayon. Very nice. It's amazing. Beautiful. Shabash. Now I will start with my earbud. So all of you take out one earbud and take yellow color. Okay. I will take out earbud. I will take yellow color. Okay. Open your all colors. We need all colors. If you don't have cotton, you can do with earbud also. Okay. Those who don't have cotton and those who don't have watercolors, they will simply do plastic crayons. So I will open my colors. This is yellow. This is orange. I have green, pink. I want to add flowers with pink. And I can take pink. Brown I need for making mountains. Green I need for making bushes. Okay, I will keep my colors here. Green for making bushes, red for making flower in Mother Earth's, or you can make it pink also. You can use that, Mahanya. You can use that. I will be doing with this. So let's start with yellow. Okay. So first I will pick up yellow color. And I will make few flowers with yellow. Okay. Dip your earbud in water. And then take yellow color and make some flowers here. Some flowers yellow. Okay, you can add some more circles with yellow to add flowers, some circles with earbud. Okay, simply just circles. And now using the same yellow earbud, you will be taking red. Take red. And I want to make this hairstyle, okay? Hair of this flower in hair, red. So what I will be doing, I will simply give outlines very carefully. And you know what? Watercolors are very helpful for improving focus. You will see your focus is on optimum level when you're doing watercolors. If you have not made flower, so you can skip then. But why you don't make flower, beta? You can make directly with, okay, chalo. If there was no space and you don't make flower, then you just wait, okay? So see, I'm going to make this flower in Mother Earth's hair with red color. Yes. And it will look great, I think. I will fill with earbud only. With earbud, you will fill it, okay? Very carefully, very patient, with lots of patience, you will complete it. Come on. Okay, this ways. I will finish. Okay. And now using the same, the red color is here now. So let's make one flower also red. Now, whatever color you have, you will make some flowers with that color. So your color will also be used and you will be having a colorful garden here. Okay. Now you will not change cotton. I'm using the same. I'm going to use that. Now you will take brown in same earbud. Now same earbud, take brown color and turn your file. You can do one thing as we are making mountain, turn your file. Okay. So what will happen? The mountains will come very close to you. Turn your file. Come on. Like this. So now mountains are very close. We're using the same earbud. No need to change earbud. Okay. Using the same earbud. Now we will do mountain. Take water again in your earbud. And first give outlines. First give outlines everywhere around trees. Simply place it and move your very carefully. You will give outlines in the objects which are coming in mountain. Okay. Yes, what I did, first I took yellow, I made few flowers. Then in same, I took red and I completed this flower and this flower. Then in same earbud, I took brown. And now I'm giving outlines and completing my mountains part. Okay, this mountain part I'm doing. Okay, water, color, and mountains. This ways, I will give outlines around mountains and all the objects which are coming in here. And very carefully, lots of attention is required. Okay, whatever object is coming, we'll simply give outlines. Now take water again in your earbud and start doing colors in your mountains. Take brown again. Every time take water and start going for sleeping lines. Okay, sleeping lines. Come on. You can go for sleeping lines or standing lines and fill colors inside the mountain very carefully. You know what, students? Many times you are very much fearful using this watercolors. You feel that it will mess up your work. But see, it is that no. See, watercolors are very helpful for enhancing your focus, for improving your focus. And today you learn the technique which is not at all creating any kind of mess up in your artwork. So you can use earbud and cotton for doing coloring. For junior ones, this is the best for doing coloring. See, I will be coloring here this middle part also with watercolors. Very carefully, your color should not go in trees. Fill this part, keep taking water again and again. And now I'm going to complete my third mountain also. Third. Okay. And I will simply complete mountain. Do it with whole lots of attention, okay? Very carefully. So now see my mountains are done. Now I will turn my file again. Oh, see, do the trunk of trees also. All of you see? Do trunk of trees also. Trunk of trees, okay? In the same position, you can do trunk of trees. And if you can complete even the stones, all trunk of trees I will be doing with brown using the same earbud. Very carefully, I will turn my file again. And now I will complete stones. These stones again using earbud, I will take water, brown color, stones. Okay, using earbud, I will complete stones. I will complete the stones in river, right now? Because here everything is happy. This stones also. So we completed brown part very smartly. Okay. And the remaining in the end, when there will be very limited color left in your earbud. Now see my earbud is having no color almost. I will make some dots. Make some dots in middle of flower. Okay, say like this. All of you say this ways. Okay. In middle of flower, make some dots with it. If you want, you can add some stones here also. If you want. So see now my brown and see the head. Don't forget the head of human beings with brown. Fill brown color in head of human beings. Okay. Now see in my complete artwork, this brown part is done. Stone in water, stone outside water, just near this river, and green trees, trunk of trees, mountain, every brown part is done. Now is the time for cotton. Okay. Done? All of you have done. I will not ask you to show because during watercolors, it is really difficult to pick up your files and show it again and again. Okay. Now, we will start with cotton. Take cotton. Take cotton. Come on. Now stop your brown color and switch on to brown. You will simply dip your cotton in water. Come on. And if you have different kind of green, you can use them. Otherwise, one single kind of green. Squeeze, remove extra water, and with help of earbud or with help of paintbrush, take some green on your cotton. So I'm using my paintbrush and I will take little green on my cotton. See, take green. You can take even earbud for taking green. Come on, take green. So today, this is a mixed media work. When we use more than 2 kinds of colors in one single artwork, it is called mixed media. So see, this green is ready. Now I'll simply tap, tap technique. It is called tap, 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 tap. Come on, start making bushes. Simply tap, place and pick up. Very carefully complete bushes. And you know what? With cotton, you will find a lovely texture. And you don't need to pick up color again and again. Once taken, the big part of bushes will be done. Come on, do it nicely. All bushes. If you feel that the color is over, it is light, you can take little more. Little more color and simply continue. Continue. All bushes, all trees. If you want to change color, if you have any other color, yes, you can take that color also. And here, bushes are done. Trees are done. Simply use the cotton, the tapping technique and make trees. You will find a lovely texture and see it is not at all messing up. And see the bushes behind this beautiful bear, baby bear with mama bear is hiding. Do here also. Same ways. Okay, simply go for tapping. Nothing but tapping. Come on. And if you want to use sap green, different greens, yes, you can use. I'm using simple leaf green color. Simple green color. And now I want to show some little green here also. Okay, just near face, as if this Mother Earth is wearing the necklace of beautiful flowers. Okay, I want to show this ways. So I will add little green here also. Okay, just near flowers also you can add little. Okay, yes. Do this. I will take green in my earbud to make grass. Okay, I will take earbud, I will take green and I will complete grass. See this grass, see grass? It is left to make it with earbud. Yes, see, okay. This ways. And little grass here also, just near river bank. Okay. I will take little cotton because I want to add pink flowers. Little cotton, dip it in water, remove extra water, and I'm going to take my beautiful pink color because I want to add lovely pink color in Mother Nature's necklace. So I will take fluorescent pink. You can try orange, you can try red, any color. I will be taking this pink color. See, there's a lovely pink now. Hai na? See, and look at my flowers. Wow, they are looking magical. Yes. So I will be using pink. You can try multicolored. You can try earbud. You can try the same with earbud. And see, I just add flowers here, here, and my beautiful necklace for Mother Earth is ready. For Mother Environment, don't worry. We will take your care. We are promising you. Okay, this promise we are supposed to make too, because men just deceive, didn't keep the words he made. And say now earbud, I will be using earbud for showing some flowers. If you want to add some flowers, it's your choice. If you want to add some flowers, you can. And if you don't want to add, you can skip. So I will add some flowers here. Okay. And some fruits also. If you want to make some oranges, some flowers here, you can add more. Don't make flowers everywhere. Few bushes you can keep. I will add some green dots here because I just want to make it lush green. And this is all about our today's artwork. Okay. So we learn how to simply finish it. So this ways our Mother Earth's drawing is ready. If you feel you want to make more detailing, yes, you can try. If you want to add little grass, lines, and a few lines of grass with plastic crayon, you can add some grass here. So this is all about, I want to check the work. And now the very important information is waiting for you. Okay? Show your work, all of you. Okay, continue doing that. Very nice. Few students are showing their work and it is so beautiful. And this drawing you can use for save environment, save nature, save trees, save earth, stop global warming, anything. Okay, you can connect this artwork to save water world. If you want to connect it to save water world, yes, you can connect this artwork to that also. So this is all about our today's learning. And this is today's determination. This is not only about learning. Every drawing we are doing making some promise. So make sure, start collecting seeds of fruits you are eating, jamun, mango, and we can grow plants out of that. So this was all about, and now listen about this summer camp. See, this is the summer camp. All of you, 1 minute, I want your attention, all of you. See, this summer camp will start from 8 and we will be teaching you drawing and coloring, mixed media, coffee painting, folk art, craft, canvas painting, and pencil shading. Overall, 7 art pieces. And charges are 199, that is 200 rupees. And we associated with Camillin. Okay? So it will start from 8 and finish at 19. And we will cover up Father's Day special craft also. So your Father's Day drawing and craft will also get ready. Okay? And say students, please join us on Instagram, Telegram. My member of will give you the details. Ayushi, are you available?
Yes, ma'am.
Over to Ayushi now.
Yeah, hi everyone. I want to show you how you can install Telegram, and
all of you please call your mom. Call your mom. If you so that she can install. Otherwise, we won't be able to stay in link. Mom, or dad, any elderly person. Yes, start, Ayushi.
Okay, so is everyone ready to get started? Can you please show me a thumbs up? Okay, so you have to open the Play Store. You see this Play Store, or if you are using iPhone, you can you can open App Store. Okay, you have to open that and now search. You can do it with me also, so that you can do it together. You have to search for Telegram.
Do it with ma'am only. Do it with Ayushi only, all of you. So what will happen? It will be installed. Come on, do it with Ayushi.
Okay, now you have to click on Telegram. Okay, and this is the icon. You see, this is the white colored paper plane. Now you have to click on install so that it will get installed on your device. And once it is done, you can open it. Okay, and now you have to click. Is everyone done till here? Can you please show me a thumbs up if you are done till here? Okay, so now, and I'll post a video also on our YouTube channel, so you can check it from there as well. Click on start and it will ask you to confirm, and you have to click OK. And now you have to allow. Okay, click on allow. Now here, you have to put your mobile number. Is everyone done till here? Put your mobile number here. I've put it, and now you have to click this button. Again, it will ask you, and click on allow. Now it will get loaded, and it will ask for some code, and that code would be sent. Okay, you have to click here. Okay, so you will receive some code. This takes some time. So you will receive the code, and then you will be able to log in. Okay, and once you do that, you have to search for ArtGeo. You will search ArtGeo classes or ArtGeo, and you will be able to find the channel, and you have to join that. Okay, is it clear, everyone? So this is the account you have to install. The application, and on this you will get all the details about our upcoming free activities, also about our summer camp and the regular drawing classes as well. So you will find all the details here. Okay, ma'am, thank you so much.
Okay, so please download this application, and this is about summer camp. All the information you are supposed to share on Telegram only, and you will get enrolled. Get enrolled quickly, and please invite your friends and relatives also. And because of this only, we kept amount very nominal, so that everyone can get connected. We will be teaching, covering up 7 art pieces in 199 only. That is just in 200 rupees. So this was all about our today's artwork, today's learning. So can I see the artwork now? Yes, ready? Okay, don't lift up. Don't lift up your artwork. I can see you all have turned colorful. Your hands have turned colorful. And artists are of this kind only. And their hands looks green somewhere, pink somewhere. So now, very good, very nice work. And don't forget to send it on my Instagram ID, artgeo_classes. Okay, I will send my comments, my praises there. And if you enjoy today's class and story, can I see a bada wala thumbs up with badi wali smile? Biggest smile, badi wali, yes. And start preparing saplings. Okay, we will save environment, we will save earth, and we will do that for very sure. I can do it. Okay, yes. So with this, I will wind up class. May God bless you. Bye-bye.